Alright, y'all, I'm back. I'm about to put the shims on with the little blockers. I'm gonna do all of them. Oh. I wonder if they look like the same size. Alright, so I got this one finished. I'm gonna just keep everything tight. Damn, see, look, everything fell off that fast. But don't worry, once I grease it down, it's a wrap. On the Ray, I'm gonna weigh that one. I ain't weigh this one. I don't even know where the stuff at, the fluid I'm gonna use. I have no idea where I put that, but I'm about to go find it because I believe now is the time. Okay. These the new ones, and man, they look nice, my guy. Alright. I see the stuff. I see. Alright, now what should I do next? Okay, put them in, of course. Right? I had a piece of hair in my mouth, bro. This is probably the most difficult part. Man, this is everything fell off. Damn, man. This would be the one time. This would be the one time I wish I had like an extra arm or some shit. Hey, yo, watching me struggle is the worst, bro. Watch, I'm gonna lose something, watch. Both the shims fell off. I look dumb. And this shit, I'm about to take these gloves off, no cap. Oh my God. I really think it's these gloves, yo. I'm losing my touch. Trying to keep my hands clean. Okay, let's try this dumb shit again, right? Jesus Christ. I feel like I should put that shit up there. Cause this shit is moving all over the place, like, god damn. Imagine paying a nigga yo, I am flabbergasted right now. Alright, y'all, we just got to take the gloves off, right? Oh man, look at that. Super fucking grip.